welcome back to another delicious episode of Zedri's Yard Style Cooking. So what I'll be preparing for you guys today, I'll be doing some delicious oxtail and bean with some rice and peas, as well as some garden salad and a serving of fried rye plantain with my pasta salad. So here I have 2 pounds of oxtail. I've already washed, trimmed, I've removed all the excess fat, clean with vinegar and lime. Washed and ready to season. Okay, so for the seasoning process, what I've had some all-purpose, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, as well as some Larry's seasoned salt, some Jamaican oxtail and stew seasoning. I've some red pepper flakes, some soy sauce, crushed pimento. I'll be using maybe about a teaspoon of browning, grace browning, as well as salt. Well, the salt, it all depends. And then I also have my green blend. So what I use in my green blend, guys, so I've used garlic, onion, escallion, some green bell pepper. I've also used thyme and some scotch bonnet pepper, or better yet known as country pepper inside, and I also use some white vinegar. What I had special to it today is some cilantro. I don't normally add the cilantro to it, but because I have it today, I had it to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and season our oxtail. So first I'm going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning. Maybe about a teaspoon, or you know, be a little bit generous. So I'm also going to add my oxtail and stew seasoning. My Larry seasoned salt. So this is already salt, guys. That's why I was saying that maybe the salt is optional, because most of these seasons contain salt. We don't want to have too much salt in our some pimento seed. I've crushed these pimento seed. Alright, so normally I would use the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning or the Grace jerk seasoning, but because I don't have any today, I'm just going to use the Miracle. I guess it works just as perfect. So I'm going to go in with, what's this now, 1 teaspoon, or maybe a little bit more, give it a little bit more kick. And then I'm going to add my green blend. So 1, 2, 3 bitter. So maybe that's